your girl came back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be talking about a wig repair service. I probably made the title clickbait because I need you guys to click on this video. I need you to watch this. I need you guys to know how amazing this person was to me. Unfortunately, I don't have the wig. Nothing that anyone had any control over, and we shouldn't have to be fearful of the parcel services that we choose to ship our packages, that they're going to steal our package. And that's what happened to me. So on the way sending it, I used UPS because you guys know I've had like a back and forth. So you guys can hear me because I don't know what this new phone mic is saying, right? So I use UPS to send it because USPS be messing with your girls. Lighting. Alright, scratch that. Y'all need to see me. Right. So UPS sent it there. They're like, oh, what is it? And initially my response like, oh, it's a wig. And I was like, wait, hold up. No. And then the guy put down it was personal products. AJ, when sending it back to me, just put down it was a wig, being the honest person, because, why wouldn't you want to be honest? And the package never got scanned. It's supposed to arrive today so I can show you guys the amazing work that was put into this wig. Took 20 hours to do the repair, just a small strip of repair. I sent my own hair. I had really good plans about how I was going to show you guys, because the work is amazing. I'm going to put a bunch of pictures over here so you guys can see the work's amazing. The communication was there. So AJ was nice enough to take accountability for a mistake that wasn't, had no fault of anyone's, to where they're like, okay, well, I'm going to send you out. If you don't get the wig, I'm going to send you another wig. And I can really appreciate that, because why do we have to take the blame and take the fault for someone else's mistake? Now, I sent my own hair. I sent a closure that I had with good hair in it, and then I'm gonna put the picture of the wig, the before. And like you guys don't understand, right? This is the third package in less than a week that I just realized that was gone. So you guys know I bought a new phone. They gave you like a $200 promo code. You can go online and shop and get stuff. I decided to get 3 chargers. One for me, one for my significant other, and then one for Marcia, because I'm like, I don't know what to do with this money. There's really nothing that I need. So Marcia said she wanted a charger. I was like, all right, fine, I'll get a charger for you. So I got 3 chargers. May 19th, and before May 19th, they said the package was delayed. May 19th, the package stopped moving. Sorry, it's a little sidebar. Come to find out it was stolen. Then I ordered a new phone for my sister because she's on my plan. And yeah. She got the box, had the receipt for the phone, and the phone wasn't there. Package number 2, now UPS. And yeah, they stole my wig, and this wig was worth probably about $500-600 what I paid for the hair, not counting the amount of labor that I put in to make it. I'm gonna put a picture of the actual wig. And the reason that I needed to get it repaired was, you guys heard me mention, like back when I first started really wearing wigs, I used to make the lace really dark. Because I figured that would match like my actual hair, and that's, it would look better. But now I wear my wigs a little bit differently, and having it really dark just no longer works for me. So I was trying to lighten it. I did everything. I bleached it. I used fabric dye remover, everything I could to get the lace to be light, and it didn't work. So what ended up happening was the lace got damaged, the hair got damaged. So I'm like, all right, I'm never gonna wear the wig in its present state. Let me get it repaired. I tried reaching out to another company a while back, and they would not take on the job. So shout out to AJ for reaching out to me, asking me, well, hey, I make custom wigs. And then I said, well, do you do repairs? And I did also set the expectation that this wig is a mess. So I'm not expecting a miracle. But when I say AJ, like, from the pictures, because obviously I don't have the wig, but from the pictures, I can tell, like, this wig, the work that was put in, the time, the effort, the love that was put into this wig is amazing. Like, you guys will see the pictures, like the quality of, like, it's seamless. Like, I tried my own little patchwork on a lace closure that I had to try to make it look better, and it looked terrible. So the fact that it didn't even look like the lace was seamed or stitched together, kudos to you. I really wish I could have made a better video for the time and the effort that you put into my wig repair. I definitely see this as a relationship we're gonna have long term. Hopefully you'll make some wigs for me going forward. Obviously I'm gonna pay you. Speaking of which, I don't expect anything for free. Now, my price is not your price. And the reason I say that is for a couple different reasons. The price that was offered to me, I didn't think the price was fair. So we arranged something else that was a little bit more fair. I'm not going to go into what that is. That's between me and AJ. The other thing is you also have to factor in that, you know, price of hair is going up because of the pandemic. So, you know, again, reach out. The experience, the energy, everything was just there. I really wish I could have made a better video. I'm hoping that, you know, in the future, hopefully if I get the wig, then I'm gonna be able to make a video for you, or if I get a replacement wig, I'm gonna make a video on that. But the hairline looked phenomenal, and I appreciate that AJ also gave me an education level, educated me. Probably used the wrong terminology, but AJ educated me on lace and hairlines, and I love to learn. If somebody out there, one, could teach me something, two, could help me, please reach out. I don't know everything. I know enough, but I don't know everything. So shout out to you for taking a chance, reaching out to me, wanting to work with me, as well as educating me. I really, really appreciate you. You have no idea how much I appreciate the interaction that I've had with you so far. Yeah, that's really all I have for you guys. I really wish I had the wig to show you in person, but like I said on the screen, I'm going to show you guys the before and after, so you guys can see what was worked with and can see that it really wasn't much. So it was pulled out. Like, this wig, it's a miracle. Like I said, I wasn't expecting much from the repair, but I got more than I was expecting. The wig looked good. I just wish I had it in person to show you guys. So that is this week's video for Thursday. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.